welcome to a song tutorial for Deck the Halls. So this is such a festive Christmas song. We've got our beautiful Christmas set happening, and I'm so excited to teach this to you. So a couple things to think about. We've got this presented as a lead sheet. So this means, this is perfect. If you want to just learn how to play the chords so that you can sing along and lead a lovely sing time with your family over the holidays, we've got you. Or if you're a little bit shy about singing and you're like, no, that's totally fine because the melody is notated right here in the score. Either way, super simple song, and I'm going to walk you through how to play both ways, so let's dive in. We've got this presented in the key of F, meaning we've got this B flat in here. No big deal, it's good to get used to playing in a variety of keys. So the song, let's just get used to moving through the chords to get us in the feel of the song. So it starts on the F, deck the halls with boughs of holly. Now, we could move all the way up here to B flat, or we could be sneaky and use an inversion, which means all we have to do is bring our 5-finger up, dink, and our 3-finger up, and we're in a B flat shape. So if you're not familiar with that movement, just practice this a billion times. And then the final little switch we'll need is going to take us from an F to a C. So here's another little shortcut. Keep your C, put your 2 on G, and your 1 on E. Magically, you're on a C. So again, practice that movement. Here to here to here to here to here. It's great, great practice. So that actually gives you the whole first 2 lines of the song. Watch. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. So fun. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Boom. We've got basically the whole song. There's only one line now that's a bit different, where we go to C. You could play root position, first inversion. I'm going to choose first inversion. Don we now our gay apparel. It gets fun here because we're going to sing super high. It will probably be awkward. Fa la 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 la. What is a Christmas sing-along if you don't have an awkwardly high moment to sing through? So we're going to review that. So we're on C to F. We're going to play another F. I'm going to switch it up and play in root position. Fa la la. Then we've got our D minor. So I'm going to go F, A, and D. Fa la 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 la. G to C. And then back to F. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. Boom. That's the song. And it was super fun. Okay, so now let's add in the melody, which is so great because it actually lands under a 5-tone scale on F. So if you place your hands in F position, you're just gonna walk down from C, B flat, A, G, F, G, A, F. Boom. And you can just play a single note here, watch. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. And then we're gonna move a little bit. We've got a B flat here, and we're gonna go G, A, B flat, G, F, G, and then F with a C on the left. And then this is really the only tricky part. Take your 2-finger up and over to E, and then cross it back. And then repeats on the next line. So no problem. You'll find that if you play fifths, they can get stuck, which is why I move between fifths and octaves. And then the B section changes a little bit, and the fingering here can be a little funny. So we're going to go G, A, B flat, G, A, B flat, C, G, and then we're going to go A, B flat, C. Notice the tuck. And then this hand moves to D, D minor. Steps up D, E, F, and then E, D, C. And then it's the home stretch. There's a tag on that if you want it. So we're going to go just repeat the last line of that little chorusy bit. So there's Deck the Halls. I hope this makes you smile and that you enjoy practicing it and that you're able to play it over the holidays for your friends and family or for yourself or your cat or your dog. And Merry Christmas.